gonna get started baling all this stuff we cut the other evening and tedded. So we just gotta get this gate shut, drop the pickup on the baler. Gil's already back there raking, so drop this pickup down. That way I don't have to get back off. All right, we're good to go. All right, so before I turn the baler on, we're gonna take I'm taking a guess, we're gonna get 110 bales off of this 25 acre. So, turn that baler on, we'll get going. Well, after 42 bales and about 8 acres, we give up for the day. I think the grass is still a little bit on the green side, and every 3 to 4 bales I've got to stop and untangle all the grass from the one of the rollers, one of the bottom rollers for the belts. I'm sick of doing it, so we're gonna give it a couple more days to dry out. Just gonna try to get it all done before I had to go back to work, but I guess I'll just have to take off early one day this week. All right, let's try this again today. I made a few adjustments that some guys on a Vermeer Facebook page told me I should make. So my problem the other day was grass is wrapping up on that roller right there above the starter roller. I got to get out every 2 bales and clean it, because it'll ball up so much the belts will jam up. So we're gonna try it again today. Well, we got the back there done. Last time, off of this about 25 acres, we made right at 60 bales last time. We made 61 bales just on the back half, which is actually a little bit smaller than the front. So first time we fertilized it, and boy, it made a heck of a difference. I got a little bit of net left. We'll finish off this. This is John Deere Cover Edge. I've got some bridon on my trailer I bought off of Ag Zaga. We'll see how it works. But I'm gonna run out here shortly and we'll putting it in. But my plug-in issue has somewhat went away, so we'll see. I can see right now there's a little bit of grass on there. I'll clean it out here after I make this bale. It's time to get the front done. Hopefully I can get it done today. The roller's doing better. This is that Bride net wrap. It's okay, I guess. I mean, I've only made about 10 bales with it so far. But man, this grass is something else. I'm gonna be fighting this. Tired of fighting it. It's getting ridiculous. But it's a lot better than it was on Sunday. I'm gonna stop and get me something to drink out of the truck since I'm up here by the truck. Well, it's going a heck of a lot better today. We're just about done. You know, I put 120 bales Sunday when we started this. We're gonna be around 150. It's going a lot better today. I think the grass might be in shape. Well, usually we get about 60 bales here, and we fertilized a little bit in June, and boy, it paid off. 157 bales. So take a look at this newer net wrap, see if I can find some side-by-side bales. So here's the John Deere. It's probably getting a little dark in the video, but here's John Deere wrap, here's the bridon wrap. They're both 51-inch net wrap, so they both go over the edge a little bit. I will say only one bale out of 90 of the bridon ripped. I had probably 10 out of 70 John Deere bales ripped. So I like it. I'm gonna buy more of it. So, but it's getting dark. I'm ready to go home. So that's it till next time. We got one more field or 2 more fields left for the year. Hopefully we can get those next week.